Hello friends, in this video we will discuss a numerical that is based on genetics of ABO blood group system. When a person with blood group A marries a woman with blood group O or vice versa, when a you can see that when a woman with blood group A marries a person with blood group O, then what are the probabilities of blood group in their children's? First of all, alleles of blood groups are not influenced by sex of person because they are present on autosomes. So if a person marries with a person with blood group A marries with a woman with blood group AO, or vice versa, a person with blood group O marries a woman with blood group A, then our results, our probability will be the same. So this probability will not be affected by sex. So here, when a person with blood group A blood group, we know that blood group A have genotype I A or it may have genotype IA and small I not. It is homozygous dominant and it is heterozygous dominant. So a person with blood group A either have genotype IA or it may have genotype IA or small I not. And the person and the woman with blood group O will have genotype small I not and small I not. So here also I am taking small I not and small I not. So when we cross, first of suppose he is homozygous dominant. So when a person is homozygous A and marries a woman with blood group O, then O is small I naught and small I naught, that is homozygous recessive. Then our outcome will be, so here two type of gamete will form, that is IA and IA. Here also I naught and I naught. So here this allele, when this allele meets with this allele during fertilization, then outcome will be IA and capital I naught. And when this allele meets with this allele during fertilization, then will be IA and small I naught. Similarly here, IA and small I naught. IA and small I naught. So here you can see that out of 4 progenies or 4 children, all are with blood group A, and A here is blood group A. Which type of blood group? A heterozygous dominant. So if a person that is homozygous dominant marries a woman that is with blood group A or blood group O, and we know that O is always homozygous recessive, then all of their progenies, all of their children will be with blood group A, and this blood group A is heterozygous dominant because two different allele are there, that is IA and small I naught. Now coming to this case, that is heterozygous dominant A and homozygous recessive O. So here in this case, two type of gamete will be formed, IA and small I naught, and here small I naught and small I naught. So when we combine these allele, we will get IA and small I naught. IA and small I naught. Small I naught and small I naught. Similar to this, small I naught and small I naught. Here in that case, we can see that two individuals or two children are with blood group A and two other children are with blood group O. So if a person is heterozygous dominant for blood group A, then there is probability that 50% of their children will be 50% will be with blood group A and 50% will be with blood group O. But by looking at person or by examining his blood group, we can't say that this person with blood group A is homozygous dominant or heterozygous dominant. So what are the probabilities of having blood group in their children with a person having blood group A and women with blood group O? Now we will combine these both, the probabilities of homozygous dominant and heterozygous dominant. So here we have 8 progenies, 4 from this and 4 from this. So out of 8 progenies, 6 are with blood group A and 2 are with blood group O. So a person with blood group A, when married with blood group, a woman with blood group O, then there is probability of 75% having blood group A and 25% having blood group O. So 75% chance are the chances that it may have A blood group and 25% is probability that it may have blood group O.